One day, Mr. Robert, a philosophy teacher, was walking with his students near a local farmer's market. With him were Ryan, Jake, Daniel, and a few other students. Suddenly, they noticed a man trying to pull a cow with a rope. The man was attempting to take the cow home, but the cow refused to move. It simply stood still, and this struggle had been going on for some time. Mr. Robert said to the man, "Hold on a moment, please." Then he turned to his students and said, "Come closer. I want to teach you something important." He asked them, "Tell me, who is actually tied to whom? Is the cow tied to the man, or is the man tied to the cow? Who is the real master and who is the servant?" Jake quickly answered, "Sir, it's obvious. The man is the master. He's holding the rope. The cow is tied, so wherever the man goes, the cow must follow. That makes the man the master and the cow the servant." Mr. Robert smiled. "That's a good answer. But now, watch this." He took a pair of scissors from his backpack and suddenly cut the rope. The moment the rope was cut, the cow ran away, and the man immediately began chasing after it. Mr. Robert then said, "Now look at what's happening. Can you see who is actually tied? The cow had no interest in staying with the man. It wanted to escape. And now, the man is the one running after it. This means he was the one truly tied." He continued, "Just like this cow, we also carry negative thoughts: anger, jealousy, fear, pride. These thoughts don't care about us at all, yet we keep holding on to them. We believe we control them, but in reality, they control us. We carry them for years, filling our minds with useless and harmful emotions. We don't want to let go. Sometimes we even enjoy holding on to them. But the moment we lose interest in those thoughts, they run away just like the cow." Mr. Robert added, "In life, we often think we own many things, even people. But the truth is, we are not the owners. Our needs make us their servants. The more we depend on someone or something, the more they control us. So remember this," he said softly. "Being free and peaceful is a choice. You can make that choice right now. Let go of all the mental junk and begin a fresh, beautiful life. A quiet and empty mind is the happiest place to be," he concluded. If you feel this story should reach more people, please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay connected. I'll return soon with another inspiring story. Until then, be patient, be thankful, and keep moving forward in life.